Good morning students. As we have already completed our chapter number 3, that is coordinate geometry, and the next chapter is linear equation in two variable. First, what is the meaning of linear equation in two variable? We will start to calculate the meaning from the last. Variable means x, y, z. Two means we have to take two variables. I have taken x and y. Equation means equality sign. Linear means degree 1. Degree is equals to 1. So this is all about the meaning of the name of this chapter, linear equation in two variable, and the standard linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Here a, b and c, they all belongs to the real number. They all belongs to the real number. This is a mathematical sign for the word belongs to. So a, b, c will be the real number. Here a can be 0, then it will reduce in a one variable. If b will be 0, then this linear equation will reduce in the one variable, that will be in x. So if I will give you this equation, 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0, then we can calculate the values of a, b and c just by comparing these two linear equations. So here a is a coefficient of x. A is a coefficient of x and it is 2. B is a coefficient of y. Coefficient of y, that is minus 3. It will come with the sign minus 3. And c is equals to constant. C is equals to constant, that is equals to 5. Fine. So like this we can calculate the values of a, b and c. This linear equation in one or two variable, we can also plot the graphs. We can also plot the graphs and we can calculate the values of a, b, c, and even we can also calculate the solutions of these linear equations. If they will give you one example like 2x is equals to 3y minus 2. Now find the values of a, b and c. So for calculating the values of a, b and c, first you have to reduce in the standard form, and the standard form is, sorry, it was y, and the standard form is 2x minus 3y plus 2 is equals to 0. It means all the terms should be on one side and the equals to will be 0. So the answer will be, by comparing this equation, the answer will be a is equal to 2, b is equals to. So here we can take some more examples, like if the question is 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now what about the values of a, b and c? 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. 2x minus 2y is equals to 0. Y is equal to 5. X is equals to 7. What about these pair of linear? What about these linear equation in two variable? First of all, for the linear equation in two variable, our a, b, c, I already explained, our a, b, c should be belongs to the real numbers, means they can be rational, they can be irrational, and a and b, at least one should be not equal to 0. One should be not equal to 0. Here 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. What about the values of a, b and c? What about the values of a, b and c? The values of a, b and the last one is c. A means the coefficient of x. And what is the coefficient of x here? Hide the x, the constant part that is left, it will be the coefficient of x. So what is the coefficient of x? It is 2. When I will hide this x, the coefficient of x will be 2. So the value of A is 2. What about the value of B? B is coefficient of y. And the y term is not here. Y term, if y term is not here, it means it is 0. It is vanished. और वो खत्म किसकी वजह से होती है? Just because of the value of B. If the y term will not exist here, then it means our B is 0. Because y was the variable. So if y is removed from here, it means definitely we have multiplied the y with the 0. And what is the value of C? The constant part. It means this linear equation can be written in the standard form, and the standard form will be 2x plus 0y plus 3 is equal to 0. It means the B was 0, that's why the y term is not visible here. Next is 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. For calculating the values of A, B and C, better to write down in a standard form. Here x term is not there, not given. So if x is not there, you always can introduce x term. How will you introduce x term? By multiplying the x variable with 0. Plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Rest all the terms will be remain same. Now just find out the coefficient of x. It is 0. Coefficient of y, it is 2. And the constant part is 3 or minus 3. Yes, it is minus 3. All the coefficients will come with their sign. 2x minus 2y is equal to 0. Again reduce in the standard form. Constant part is not here. It means it is 0. Now calculate the values of A, B, C. A means coefficient of x. B means coefficient of y. It is minus 2. C means the constant part. Therefore it is 0. The next is y is equals to 5. First of all, equal to should be 0. So shift this y this side. So it will be y minus 5. Y minus 5 is equal to 0. X term is not given. So we will introduce x term by multiplying it by 0. Now just compare the coefficient. A is equals to 0. B is equals to 1. And C is the constant part, that is minus 5. The last part is x is equals to 7. So it should be written like this. X minus 7 is equal to 0. I have given space here for the value of y. Y variable is not given. It means y will come with the 0. 0 के साथ you can introduce any number. If you want to write 5, then you can write 0 into 5. It means we can introduce any number by multiplying it by 0. Because in addition, in subtraction, 0 will not affect our answer. So what is the value of A here? Nothing is here. It means 1 will be always there. So 1. 0. And the last one is minus 7. So what we have learned from here, for calculating the values of A, B and C. For calculating the values of A, B, C, the question can be come for 1 mark or can be come for 2 mark. So how will you calculate the values of A, B, C? First reduce the given equation. In standard form. After that calculate the values of A, B and C. A means coefficient of x, B means coefficient of y and C means the constant part. And for the standard equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0. If you will write this equation like this, ax plus by is equal to c, or it can be minus c, then this one is also correct. But the standard equation is ax plus by. The general equation, the general formula is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A, B, C, they all are the real numbers, and A and B from A and B at least one should be not equal to 0. क्योंकि अगर दोनों ही 0 हो जाएंगे तो it will reduce to a number like 2, 3. The equation will become a normal number. So at least one should be not equal to 0. And how will you calculate the values of A, B and C? By reducing in the standard form. Then coefficient of x is A, coefficient of y is B and the constant part is C. For calculating the coefficient of x, just hide the x1. What is left here? 2 is left. Calculating the coefficient of y, hide the y. What is left? 2 is left or minus 2 is left? In this part, minus 2 is left. So the answer will be minus 2. Similarly, the constant part is 0. So I have written here 0. So this is all about how will you calculate the values of A, B and C. In our next class, we will learn more about the solutions. How will we find out the solutions of these linear equations? Fine students. Thank you class.